Comprehensive Rust section types and values. Rust programs use main function as entry point. Fn creating functions and blocks delimited by curly braces. Supports Unicode characters as strings are UTF-8 characters. Have to use macros for different arguments to same operation. No function overloading is allowed. Has partially hygienic macros, that is for local variables, labels and crates. Let's see fundamental on variables. We'll create a simple hello world programs. By default variables are immutable, like num here. Println here is a macro noted by the suffixed exclamation mark. To have a mutable variable, explicit mention of mut is required, as with the nom variable here. As with other languages, Rust has signed and unsigned integers, floating points and others with respective sizes. As with Python and a few other languages, it also allows underscore in numbers for legibility. Int overflows are defined in Rust and can be avoided using saturating methods to limit the value range, or overflow methods that return tuple of result and boolean flag if overflow occurs. Now let's write a quick arithmetic function to check passing parameters and return values. Here A, B and C are i32 type signed in values, and it would return an i32 as well, as denoted after arrow. Rust does type inference. Ints default to i32 as for var num in the code. Defaults to f64 for floating point numbers. Now for exercise, let's write a logic for Fibonacci number at nth place generation. We'll use the template provided and fill it in. Implementation is simple for once at first 2 places, and then the formula applied for all places after utilizing 2 places before.